you have got your JRF and now you want to avail it. So you use the word dissertation.
Yes.
Can you tell me the difference between dissertation and thesis?
It's like we are practicing research for now. We are learning how to do it for real, and because we just get a little empirical knowledge about it, not just theoretical knowledge, and later on so that we can apply it in PhD.
Can you just explain it more? What is the idea of service learning? How do you use it to back up the schooling system?
It's like sometimes taking students to orphanage, or sometimes taking them to the cleaning drives, or making them volunteer in such things so that they understand the society more, they get more hands-on experiences.
Is there any thinker, any leader whom you think of when you talk of this?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Please introduce yourself.
So myself, Vaishnavi Tripathi, and right now I am pursuing AMET from Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Lucknow, and I have completed my graduation in BLEd from University of Lucknow in 2024. And right now I am working on my dissertation with mainly focusing on the topic sociology of education, like civic sense of secondary school students, and I am really interested in pursuing like PhD further. Thank you. This is my intro.
Okay. So you are in which semester?
I am in 4th semester right now.
Semester, and you have got your JRF and now
Yes.
you want to avail it. So you use the word dissertation.
Yes.
This is what you did in MA.
Yes.
Can you tell me the difference between dissertation and thesis?
It's like we are practicing research for now. We are learning how to do it for real, and because we just get a little empirical knowledge about it, not just theoretical knowledge, and later on so that we can apply it in PhD.
Are you sure? Are you sure this is the? You can be very confident and say no, that I don't know, instead of beating around the bush. What is the technical difference?
This is, I think this much I understand about it.
That dissertation is?
Dissertation is a little kind of research. Thesis ka smaller mini version of thesis.
But that's
Dissertation
research
is-
proposal. Mini version of.
Research proposal is like presenting your topic. Dissertation is a complete research like thesis, but not that much पैनल. उसका पैनल जो है थीसिस का वो काफ़ी बड़ा है, लाइक उसका ब्रॉड एरिया है, मतलब बड़े लेवल पे करते हैं, बट डिसर्टेशन जो है वो हम स्मॉलर लेवल पे हमारे कन्वीनियंस के अकॉर्डिंग एक 2 years में जो कंप्लीट हो सकता है उतना ही.
Okay. Okay. So, what is your topic going to be exactly in PhD?
In PhD, I would like to work around community service in primary students, like to some experience, some experimental research about community service in primary school. I would like to do that because I think that will make a lot difference in our education system socially.
What sort of experimental research?
Like some modules regarding community service, including in the curriculum of primary education.
Is there any specific thing you are working upon, or
I have.
it's a very vague idea as of
I
now?
was going to.
Yeah.
I was going to work on service learning this time only in my dissertation, but my guide suggested that it will not go well with quantitative research, and quantitative is fine for dissertation. So that's because I left that topic. Service learning is like including community service along with the regular chapters of the school curriculum.
Can you just explain it more? What is the idea of service learning? How do you use it to back up the schooling system?
It's like sometimes taking students to orphanage, or sometimes taking them to the cleaning drives, or making them volunteer in such things so that they understand the society more, they get more hands-on experiences about it.
Okay. So before I ask Chandni ma'am, because I'm not clear, still I'm not clear about what you want to do. What is your topic going to be? What kind of experiment? You can't be doing experiment on community,
Yes.
right?
Actually, yeah.
So what you are telling me, it's like qualitative data and some in-depth study and survey. It's not an experimental study. So I want you to tell us very clearly what you want to do.
Okay. So let me just explain what the process will be so that you can get it.
Process, I want to know the title.
The impact of including community service in the curriculum of primary school students.
Okay, so what kind of research is this?
When we see the impact, it's experimental research, I think.
Practically, who will allow you to do this? Is it possible?
When we will go in PhD, because I have seen scholars doing such experiments, so I think we can get some government schools doing such experiments for 1 or 2 months maybe, so that we can see the impact.
Okay, ma'am has asked you about your topic. I just want to know ki, what impact actually you are expecting out of this.
I am expecting an impact that the children are more civically responsible. They have more civic sense. They are more responsible citizen after including community service in their curriculum, because I think we are losing that in our education system for now. So if we, as NEP 2020 is also talking more community engagement to the students, more hands-on experiences with the society. So if we include community service in their curriculum, they can get it in the school also along with their home.
Is there any thinker, any leader whom you think of when you talk of this? क्या ऐसे कोई विचारक रह चुके हैं जो इस परिप्रेक्ष्य में बात कर चुके हों कम्युनिटी सर्विस के रिगार्डिंग उनके कोई एजुकेशनल थॉट्स?
Community service exactly not, but John Dewey, I think they have talked a lot about experiential learning. So it's something, some theoretical background from there also it has.
क्या गांधी ने बात करी इस बारे में?
हाँ, उन्होंने तो बोला है कि इट्स वोकेशनल एजुकेशन, कि बच्चों को आप जब काम में खुद से लगाएंगे तो धीरे धीरे वो अपने आप सीख जाएंगे जो भी उनको सीखना होगा. तो हाँ, he has also talked about it.
Vocational education is different from community service.
A little, but both of them are same in one point, that both have hands-on experiences or real life experiences.
So have you done any research, or have you read any paper where you've seen that community service is actually creating better citizens? Like, is there a relationship that's there?
Yes, I have read some actually a lot of papers like this, and there are countries like China who are doing this right now in their school. Actually, they are including lots of community service in their curriculum. USA also doing this, and that's why I thought it should be included in India.
So I'm not saying whether a country is doing it. Is there an impact? Is there a relationship? Is there a correlation between these two variables that you're trying to track here?
Actually, if we go to our ancient Indian education system, we used to have those gurukuls. In gurukuls, they used to live there apart from their parents, and they used to live their whole life with the reality. They used to do all the work by themselves. और उस टाइम पे वो कम्युनिटीज़ के साथ भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेक्ट करते थे, और उससे उनके रियल लाइफ में बहुत इम्पैक्ट आता था उनके, उससे उनके एजुकेशन भी काफ़ी बेटर हो जाती थी. तो फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो वी कैन गेट रेफरेंस कि हाँ, हमारे गुरुकुल्स में ऐसी एजुकेशन चलती थी, एंड इट वाज क्वाइट इम्पैक्टफुल, सो वी कैन यूज इट.
Okay, so I think let me be very frank with you.
Yes.
Let me start with the beginning. The difference between thesis and dissertation was absolutely wrong. Okay, thesis in India, we talk about PhD, doctorate. Dissertation, the word we use is for masters. However, Western world mein it's completely opposite. Okay, we use the word dissertation for PhD and thesis for masters. So this, you should be very clear about it, because you literally asked us that, ma'am and sir, give us very befitting feedback. So we are going to be doing that with you. The topic is not clear. The way you're going to do methodology is not clear. You started with doing an experimental study. If I may ask you, how would you pre-test? Because whenever you do an experiment, how would you check the knowledge of the students regarding this service? है ना? Then sir asked you about few people or thinkers. Ma'am also asked you. You referred, but then we've studied about Paulo Freire, Mary Wollstonecraft, Nell Noddings. All of them are into this. You could have taken their name. Then you use the word vocational education and community service. They're completely different terms, as sir said. And then sir also asked you a question, and you gave the reference of Gurukul. This is not how things are. You have to be specific. Yes, sir. So would you
Just one more question. Do you have any way that you will be able to quantify whatever you're trying to do here? Because you will need data for your thesis, right? So how are you going to quantify civic sense or community service in your thesis?
For this, I have a tool. I have purchased a tool from Singh Somu.
Yeah, questionnaire. Yeah,
Yes,
I got
yes.
your point.
So he is quantifying it, and the dimensions are
Basically,
based
the
on-
questionnaire is there. Yeah, I got it.
But it is very difficult to quantify and very difficult to actually analyze the impact.
Yes.
तो अगर हमें इसका इम्पैक्ट देखना है तो इम्पैक्ट देखने के लिए वी डू नॉट हैव एनी लाइक इन्फॉर्मेशंस जिस पे हम कह सके कि हाँ ये करने के बाद हमारे पास ये इम्पैक्ट आया. लाइक यू वर सेइंग कि चाइना ने अडॉप्ट किया है, तो मैं वो जानना चाहूँगी कि आपने क्या स्टडी करी है कि चाइना के जो सोसाइटी है या चिल्ड्रन है उसमें क्या इम्पैक्ट है, हाउ दे आर क्वान्टिफाइंग, हैव यू स्टडीड अबाउट इट? ओके, नो वरीज.
And do you have a hypothesis as of now कि इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन को लेकर आप चलने वाले हो, आप टेस्ट करोगे इस चीज़ को कि वेदर इट शुड बी रिजेक्टेड और नॉट?
about my dissertation or about the further work I
मतलब PhD के लिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
okay. I can say directional hypothesis that there is an impact of including community service in the mean score of students.
Okay. So, okay. See, Vaishnavi, the thing is that you can opt for mixed method. Let's come to a solution now because you're so passionate about the topic. You must pursue it. This is my advice to you. Mixed method research is something where you can do qualitative data analysis also and quantitative also. Then sir asked you about hypotheses, right? So always your hypotheses in social sciences should be made based on the review of literature.
Yes, you said.
So if review of literature is showing contradictory, you have to make null hypotheses. If it is showing directional, then you have to make alternative hypotheses. Okay? So that's it from my side. You can study well, है ना? The topic is very good, and the most important is that your vision is very good. Your mission is also very good. So that's it from my side. Okay, so ma'am.
Yes, वैष्णवी मैम ने आपको रिव्यू तो दे ही दिया है पूरा डिटेल में, बस जस्ट 2 पॉइंट्स मैं यहाँ पे बोलूँगी. जब आप इंटरव्यू पैनल के सामने हैं, डोंट रोटेट योर चेयर.
Oh, sorry.
एंड ऑल्सो यू वर कॉन्फिडेंट, वेरी गुड. बाकी टॉपिक के बारे में मैम ने बताया. एंड अवॉइड यूजिंग द वर्ड्स आई थिंक, लाइक यू वर यूजिंग समवेयर इन बिटवीन. आई थिंक, कैन बी, नो. इफ यू नो यू नो, इफ यू डोंट नो यू कैन से सिंपली दैट मैम आई डोंट नो. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you, ma'am.
So from my side, I'll say कि देखो confidence में कोई problem नहीं है, and I think you have taken a very good topic and you should work upon it. The problem was कि आपने अपने end से थोड़ा सा काम और करना है. तो do a little more research, read a few more papers, be very clear about the topic and the hypothesis you are working upon, the question that you are trying to solve here. So that clarity would reflect in your answers फिर, and फिर सामने वाले जो भी होंगे आपके वो बहुत अच्छे से convince भी होंगे. So that is something you should work upon, and I think rest was great and you have a very bright future, so definitely you will do well. So yeah,
All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.